Maybe. Great. Okay, so welcome everyone to the DUNE Computing tutorial December version. And we're delighted to tour you through the DUNE realm of things in terms of the computing. And this is how it will go. So on slide 2, okay. There's been a mission setup. I really would like to know, and this is going to look like my lectures now. Can people thumbs up or thumbs down or whatever, depending on where you are, and you can really share some comments on the chat, no judgment, right? If you're trying to do the setup, if you cannot do the setup, like where you are, that will actually guide us to know how to guide you guys. So then we have the best tutorial that is going to be good for you. So feel free to let us know. That would be good. And if you don't understand the slide, it's because the setup we're asking actually what kind of animals you want to see in the slides. So these were the winners of last editions. And yeah, this is unbelievably cute. And on a more serious note, this is how things are going to happen this morning. The tutorial is hosted on a GitHub that you have the link in here. And the link is also into the description, like first line on Indico, you can get to that training tutorial. And the experts and lecturers are going to follow this website. So this is really the point where you need to be to follow up all the material. But we have some documents along the side that are what we call the live docs. They are Google Docs. And if you have a question, and if you do not dare to ask a question, you can do it anonymously. And this is the successful anonymous Q&A. These live docs, there is one per session. So you can see on Indico on the agenda, they are linked there, and you can ask your questions and then experts are going to answer. So it can't be like, I mean, if someone is just giving the lecture during the tutorial, you can't expect an answer that fast, but there are nice experts in the room in here. So, and this is really for you not to get stuck on something. So ask your questions and then you can either get your name written or not, but it's important to pick a color so then we actually see where is the question and where is the answer. So I will also monitor this to make it readable, and all of these questions will be collected for feeding and nurturing and being appended to a nice Q&A database. Then at the end of these slides, you can read about us. There is a bit of an intro for each of us. And without further ado, let's see on the next slide. So this is for this session, we have Dave and I. David is the master of GitHub and he did most of the job. So congrats, David, for doing this in such a short time. That's great. Heidi is the boss. Hi, Heidi.
Hi.
And we have lectures and previous lectures. So I wanted to mention all of them. And thank you so much for preparing some materials and being available today. That's pretty much what I have. So without further ado, let's just start and enjoy the training. And if you're curious about us, you can actually get these slides and read after the tutorial some introductions about what we do. And happy you can also contact us if you have any questions. That's pretty much what I have. And I really would like to give the floor for QB on storage space and data management. And enjoy doing the tutorial, everyone.
Okay, hi everyone.